Welcome back everyone to another Shopify tutorial. Today we're going to see how to move buttons on Shopify. Firstly, log into your Shopify admin and from the left sidebar, click Online Store, then Themes. Find your active theme and click Actions, then Edit Code. In the Edit Code section, open your main layout file, usually named theme.liquid. Sometimes the buttons are product-template.liquid. Use the search bar on the left to quickly find these files. Now scroll through the file and look for your button code, for example, something like this code. And if you want to move the button, you can cut this entire button section and paste it where you want it to appear, for example, before or after a specific section like the product description, price or quantity selector. And if you're adding a new button, you can pass the custom HTML or liquid code. For example, if you want to add a button before the footer, pass this code before body tag. Now after moving or adding your button code, click Save on the top right corner and go back to the storefront and refresh the page to check the new button position. If it doesn't appear correctly, try adjusting its location in File or wrapping it with a div container for better styling control. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks like this.